in this little package, and I don't know if you guys will be able to read that, but I'll just read the description. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Alejandra Rose. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. So today we're doing an unboxing. It is the Sephora box, as I always do. And as you guys know, I've already opened it because I can't wait. But yeah, it's just the Play Sephora box for June. And okay, so we open it. We have this right here. I just glanced at everything, got really excited, but didn't read anything because I wanted to share this excitement with you guys. And then the theme is Beauty Boardwalk. Welcome to the Beauty Boardwalk, and it gives you tips for beauty. I love this one. I think it's so cool. Like, they have kisses for 50 cents, hydration station, and like every booth has like a little tip. So let's pick one. Let's pick the shortest one. Kisses 50 cents. It says, kiss proof your liquid lipstick with reverse lining. Trace just outside your lips with a flesh tone liner. Then fill the lines with a coordinating shade. Oh, let me show you guys the bag. The bag is gorgeous. So it's white and pink string, which I think is amazing. But the front of the box says hot, 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 and it's kind of like a neon sign design. I always say I think this is the coolest bag. I think this is the coolest bag, but this was the more aesthetic pleasing one. Like, I love the jean with the bungee cord. I think that was so original. And this one's kind of plain like the first one, but I do love that it's the neon sign. So first thing I have here, it's a clinic product. So let's read about it. It says, clean like a dream clinic. Take the day off makeup remover for lids, lashes, and lips, which is awesome because I wear waterproof eyeliner and waterproof mascara. Mascara is always really hard to take off my eyes. Is a milk product. I'm trying to hide the big surprise in here, but it's kind of hard. So it comes like this in this packaging, and we can open it because, yeah, it has something inside. And it's a mascara. So let me read the comments here. This is a new product. It is on a mission to condition milk makeup. It is the Kush Mascara in Boom Black, a conditioning mascara that uses cannabis oil to nurture lashes while heart-shaped fibers add clump-free volume. The next thing, poster closed. The next thing we have is this, and this is it's by Belief, and it says here, bye bye dryness. Belief, the True Cream Aqua Bomb. So that's what it is. A reviving moisturizer that fights dual skin with a burst of hydration. And this is for your face and neck, which I love anything that is for facial repair. I'm starting to look at the camera. If I get distracted, I'm a distracted individual, but I love things that are for facial care, so this is gonna be really cool to try out. Okay, the next thing we have in here, I'm kind of curious. I don't really know this company very well, so I think I'm gonna look it up afterwards. But this is a Miracle Multiplying Volume Mist. Kind of tell you guys a little more about it. So it's an all about that. So the slogan, they always put a slogan, is all about that body. Alterna hair care, and it is the Caviar Anti-Aging Miracle Multiplying Volume Mist, a multitasking hair mist that uses a plumping complex to create twice as much volume instantly. So that's gonna be interesting to use. The next thing is a Too Faced lipstick, matte lipstick. So let me tell you about that. And I love this because it's like, I feel like it's a full sized. It's really nice. So it says Endless Stunner, Too Faced. Melted Matte Liquefied Longwear Matte Lipstick in the color Queen Bee. A long-lasting, lightweight lipstick that goes on like a lip gloss but delivers bold, full colors. So I haven't tried this one out. I'm guessing it's gonna be really good because I've heard a lot of good things about these lipsticks. And we're just gonna let it dry a little, but I don't know if you guys can see that at all. If you can't, I'll try to do a close-up later. But anyway, I'm really excited about that. I love this color, and I love this color in matte finish. It's like literally my favorite. I don't use any pink lipstick unless it's matte. I don't know why. And this one that I'm wearing right now is a purple matte lipstick from a BH Cosmetics, I think. I'm pretty sure lip kit. So I kind of started getting more into matte, but sometimes my lips are chapped, so I don't really like to use that as much. Sephora box, as I've explained before, has been a saving grace because I get makeup that most people have in their possession, and I get it sample sizes, which is fine because I'm not going to use all of that makeup like a lot of people do that wear makeup every day. But the thing that I got yesterday almost made me cry because it's like amazing, and it's something so little. As somebody who has tons of it would be like, you were happy about that. But I feel excited, and I thought that was such a cool thing for the Sephora box to have. So let me stop talking and get it out. So it comes in this little package. And I don't know if you guys are going to be able to read that, but I'll just read the description to you. And this was the bonus, the month's bonus. All sugar, no spice. Prada Candy Sugar Pop. A fruity and delicious, this scent story of apple, bergamot, and vanilla has a sweet ending that's anything but ordinary. It's a Prada perfume. And that's what I'm telling you guys. I don't really know how much they cost. Maybe the perfumes are a little cheaper, but I'm not a person who has money. So I'm really excited, and it's just a little sample bottle, not even filled up all the way, and I'm really overly excited for it. So anyway, that was the last product for June, and that was the June box. I think the June box was literally my favorite, not just because of the Prada perfume, but because all the products in this box I'm going to use. That was the box for this month. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. And yeah, check out Sephora, especially if you don't have a lot of money, if you're a struggling college student. You know, check out Sephora because the Sephora box is so cool. I did Ipsy, I did Walmart, I love those too, but the Sephora box is amazing quality and really good products. So anyway, that was my unboxing. I hope you guys have an awesome day. Bye!